for high GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Enamede, Bramo, Anuti, Sonia subscriber to channel, Bomodia say, over subscriber. There we answer over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification, we answer a video for free, be upload. With the first person I want to Ebeka, a video, I feel we are that like video, and give us a thumbs up. Nafi shema wa fufroso na wenye biwe na wohu ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana me mohanum afi yembura ye ensemwa abeto yepno so eye na no arahusem a abeto dwa eye Obuasi a wane ko ye Anglo Gold a ko ye nsembibri eye galamsey se wane ko ho wane asojafo no ede ko boss wo ho no ma chese tuototo ene ade ama bibri na afemu ahwere wane kwa na no na ko ye nsembibri dodo na de subo ebo ye Captain Smart wane nsembi a wo kan ye eno na wane su se ehye babru no kutupan ma ko ye sa de no na we na ye soja ni bi ya babontin ema wo de nsembi abatu ya saso ende ye Listowel or ye regular panelist on the political talk show also reacted to a year and some course so how watch say the soja for the no say aban we etwe wana so na Listowel and sem do na ara and atuja and tentemara yenko a year Listowel akachi na yenkuti a year and some year Listowel edituja yenti in some course.
Smart is a hypocrite. Captain Smart Obabruchanke French a sycophant. With all due respect to him, Captain Smart has lost it. He's clenching to straws. When we are talking about facts, journalism, he's not close to it. His conscience are eating him up. Every day he is confused because he is forcing you to accept him. But it was his own actions, his own pronouncements, and whatever Captain Smart did in the past was deliberate, was something Captain Smart he knew whatever he was doing. The benefit he got from what he was doing till today, he knows. The people he aligned himself with, the people he thought to say, when he's with them, they'll give him what he wanted, and he's gotten it, Today, he's trying to play you. He's trying to make you think he thinks about you. No. You can't just come sit on TV, on radio, not vaguely, because you think, say, you can do something to favor somebody, and you come there. No, we are not foolish again. And we'll be on Dogana and Chobia. But nobody can capitalize on the ignorance of the people, some of our people, to use that statement and say, media, I'm patriotic. Media, I am civil. Media, I love Ghana. On Dogana and Chobia.
Ghana, Mudia, na minu ya Ghana in some trade, when you attempt Johnny Powasma, I don't know. Hey! And attempt the DA in our young one, I don't know. And are we serious as a nation? Yenya bring nano pan canal some kofano. Because there will be as parliamentarians assemble yeka. So will be assemble yeka. We have to go. Make sure so we have to talk about it. Kwame.
My goodness.
Go and look at the video. The way the guy is talking. And on for money power with impunity. And someone cannot then look at the kind of voice he's using. Live on TV. Live on radio. Ghana we are from saying media commission. And the West African is ango for almost media. No, me am paying for no. E dey adwuma no moye. Kwame dey adwuma no moye.
Well, about Ghana Mudia wahini
na minu ya Ghana in some trade when you attempt Johnny Powasma, I don't know. Hey, and attempt the DA in our young one, I don't know. And are we serious as a nation? Yenya bring nano pan canal peke some kofano. Because there will be as parliamentarians assemble yeka. So will be assemble yeka. We have to go. Make sure so we have to talk about it. Kwame.
My goodness.
Go and look at the video. The way the guy is talking. And on for money power with impunity. And someone cannot then look at the kind of voice he's using. Live on TV, live on radio. Ghana we are from saying media commission. And the West African is ango for almost media. No, me am paying for no. E dey adwuma no moye. Kwame dey adwuma no moye. I mean kasa kra be ye.
So ko ban because minus or more Obuasi person or mutwitwa AG workers inti. You see us entering underground. We are quite underground. Can't me do 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers underground. Now what now underground on where my travel be 5 kilometers underground. Minus we are na actually Obuasi AG for so person mutwitwa mo form okum. I friend say em form go protect him. And me airtime. The idea say omu baby a yetu amu no omu mpe but baby a AG for na bam na na to na omu pese omu ye de omu so aye de
sound
na kata phone to the AG for na ye ne simple no na omu pese omu ko wuram na omu ko tu na omu di se obia o Ghana betam ne sekan ana obetam na so ne boto akowuram atu adidi a se nka obia ye odefo. We don't work like that as a nation. And let me make this clear. Soldier ni bi or Ghana ni how we weak. No military guy is weak. The point is that military is just like a vehicle. Ki ni kutaba akofo. Ka bia ni wa di ki kitani pa miensa. Enti se ba ko aspa ki na enyeye me ntimi ntwito nhya me nsam se me de na besides obi anya wudi ni se obi papa obekwa ko boni tu oku ni se o ma ne ma no aduane abo no me Kwabena me tu se me hu hwe kura de mahunya nsa se Ghana soja ni wu a enko ba bia enti me bebo otu akoda prison atu me mafo dan se me wu akọ ama me manya futufo me it's so sad. Me see me catch soldier for sabi ata so my life I basa. My brother, I don't deserve to even come in front of this camera and come and say these things. Boys are breeding in the bars. Our Mahuma in because of that minds, no. And so that he is going there in the interest of the nation. When you come from Obuasi. Now I a woodum what to kill sumo amadiache. Na Kwabrania for kios nasia na nama inside na ya chino ni eso ni soja ni na ya baako soja ni jiska or hoda ya ti soja ni na homa. It's so sad. Things are going on now. You see, it's about time the military start educating the civilians. Now you pen any faswa you free soldier so on mine. Now me no, that's why I said I'm not here to talk for the military on any media house, but pen be what boys in mua eyomoya. And that is not the reason why Aumatutu. That is what Inusa said. There are things called rules of engagement, proportional force. So who bang? Who the two neba ya? Musumi kutetu. Who the second neba ya? Second so you armed, a weapon. Just bear in mind. We intention you crowd ya maybe the minimum. Na makase me uba be butu for mama ma bompaya guzo. Ukitetu na wejetu na to. No, it doesn't work that way. Nyame form currency is so sad so mo but me see the otchere kan no yaden wo second we ase no yemfa maybe me say ka bi o se soja ni bia ni ho a wo ye week wo Ghana ho no enti sa soja ti se ka ki ni kura obi and Mahama Assad now is the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces enti so ti se soja ni yakoku ni ba na it seems that Mahama na issue one and Chamaya kokunu. That is why the military try to do things to avoid the fact that party no power no and in Guasia being Koka party no. Enti ya say and a soldier for Ankawe and a soldier for Natrawana Yabu. They don't want to defame the party in power and they don't want troubles because besides we are in the country to protect you. And didn't hear about to but okay se kanya who was a kanya and a traitor who ano eniema ekofense to Ghana fofu. They should stop those things and boy
ade a soldier for na ye ne ye amon ho e wo se ye twoma so sa abai way and twen soldier for na so a look the street will mobilize and meet them squarely.
You need to justify the we should meet them squarely.
Yes, you have to meet them squarely. Okobo obi Agyapade ho ban onipa ko ye hwan yeah all too good.
Okay,
I'm no good for me hwan
na aban na aban yes na aban mo illegal yes aban
no ya adwen me no ya adwen
okay
tie me no ya adwen
yeah
gold na o tuo no any asase no eno ni nipa no hwan na ne hu hia
that don't justify justified way me
you are justifying why obi mo obi true
Debbie me patch
maybe they also me justify
senior me ba
no what the who say so jani e be me abo obi true ku no
wasi ufie and ma babo ro fie
yes
say me be fa wo Agyapade
yes
na obi ku a na wo say you Agyapade no na wo nkwa na unia me ku ya no which one is the best?
What's you dying?
It is different. I am interested.
What of what's you dying?
Because they pay royalties.
Royalties?
Yes, they pay.
Haruna,
yes.
Don't let us go there.
Yes.
How much royalties do they pay?
Whether it is 10 or 10, they pay royalties. Anna.
No, how much royalties do they pay?
I'm royalties and I'm
And I say, how much is that money?
Ebia.
So put any
Haruna, assassin, put any panko. Yet charmam, concession, yet charmam. My yes, Juma, assassin daho. My free one
for how many?
Assassin daho.
For how many years?
Yeah. Almost yen justify say almost edim Russia woman semu a trespass ye call angry good for land so
omukoyana ye share
and will be unjustified but osha reports and then eyewitness account ya eba maybe dem hu say mu soldier for na mo guide that place no mu wo ho no mo for a paper for a reason
say oni pa
for ba ya no
commander no omo say commander no enya ye feel say call na call na onya ye no and lead to the killing of the about 9 or 15.
Say who best sex we because guy na ye ne kasa no or confirm no
how do you misbehave like this?
Even as at the time.
No, why do you have to justify soldier for makokum nipa?
Omu dwane kwa na mu shoot.
I'm not justifying.
No, you are no nipa no.
If it's a clash,
nipa no mo na omo say, soldier for na omo say. And conform no a shoot out no. Where is the evidence?
Well, against your evidence.
Against the evidence that omuna also say muku omunko for no so no munko you. So show the evidence of a triangle chrome.
That's the evidence.
Show evidence.
That's the evidence against Nia Omu.
Because it makes no sense.
There be anything American can say.
It makes no sense.
Who could say wow? Somebody will write your story for you. Somebody will write your story for you.
Sense.
What do I say? Because for me, as I sit here,
you see,
me partner say, whatever they have, whatever the military you know, it is not just.
By the time I'm done,
but say,
apologize.
Evasion not happen there.
But Haruna, at least
you will apologize to the bereaved.
No, sir,
because you see, me bo obi asase ho ban o too good hwan akwasi broni bi a wono waba meme mamu ena otwa royalties enti me soja ni am ye Ghana ni me bo le japade me pacho me ba no me try to let you understand it's the reality.
Foreigners have the right.
It's the reality. I'm not being on the side of anybody, but I'm speaking the reality,
which is that
the truth.
They're foreigners.
Look,
therefore they don't have,
are they not foreigners?
So they don't have rights.
So you want to mean that the foreigner has a right over the Ghanaian?
No.
This is not to justify that.
Haruna, Listowel, there were conversation coming in John. Foreigner. On funny 2 minutes beje land.
And also does not take away the foreigner aspect.
No.
And a medical team so say no. Ghana from penny phobia.
There are other
Ghana from penny phobia. The entire a free die Akufo Addo can say or per se otchere galamsey mu. A small scale miners no. I raised the voice and said everything mining in this country should be halted because say obema bronia tu na me bibini me koda de na me mpre nyansa bia nim tell me the nyansa ewo mu say me am ye Ghana ni no wo say me ntimi nkotu gold na broni de o metu nko no money royalties are less 5%. What sense does it make? Are you supporting the status quo? Say ya the papa say broni metu gold alpha gold na nkoni krom anko bra over 90% no 95% of anko na wo bibini na Nyankopon nim nyansa onu di gold ni bia ukrom no wo de mentu bi ye kwaka wo say ya the papa say odi pako wa anfa etu na besi ukon so pani bi na ni ato kase na omudie eti wo say nipa na omo from no omo se pani na oye sa no oye nipa boni ni. I'm not being specific. I know the American.
You see,
and it is not the first time. Yeah, conform call. Senior. It should tell you say wherever there is agitation, anytime you see agitation, no, see the agitators as the right in society. Because
even if they are wrong,
they could not be wrong.
But
nobody wakes up to agitate for
the probability is high.
The probability says obey wrong, no,
it's high.
A nail.
There be people rise against certain decisions of government. It doesn't
make sense. They are not for the people.
No, but say one because I wouldn't say people are immune to development. People are immune to certain development. Why? Until Uncle Jaimomo,
it is not
they
true.
streamline.
Go do mutu o Ghana hano.
Yeah.
If I can say now, mu yusu kure yen. Etche de galamsey fo ye no.
Oh, but until we
na de ni Ghana. Emre bi akaso Obuasi anka, ya akaso Obuasi anka na de.
Meba. Until ni galamsey ni galamsey fo
yes. I'm for the cancer and kidney disease to be brew.
But say yeah, nyina so agye to mo say ne galamsey for almost a year.
I don't know we are proud to discuss galamsey say nya the papa. But me so me be discuss broni say ono so na ma nya papa. And the over so called defend broni. I don't hear broni.
Yeah, just defend
broni by his action. No. Asama o me test you radio. Who so wakasa me but me kasa
Haruna me say my Listowel kasa.
No, because asema Haruna kaya no. Na semebufuo ba man kasa. The reason is that hwe obi funu kum me nkasa nipa no mokoye sa ade no. Emrantie na ye kum omo no. Me nkasa they were right.
Yes.
Me nkasa
no dey obi and justify say.
But sabi my amfumso. Ebi kwa ma ye niamon ho a enye. Ebia maye baako maye mienu maye bia empredu da bia me ba wo tiame wo de mra tiame manko e wo se wo hu se bibi wo ho a se bi enka yie enti no ada ne yansi hu nkonya na yen toato adwen na yen pe se bi ne pumasi bra ne yen hu se ade we ya ekoso yi ebia ye ni se ya ebeboa Sebi. Oko Anglo Gold, friends, Mr. Newmont. Go feel, sir. Baby, o my year, Juma, Chemwa, o my free horror. Over the Amataka boys, no more to galamsey. Omukonso Munyabi. Wo the also over the animal, and watch your friends at Achahon. Esia. Now, who said you all who are Babbe trouble in Plum? Just how the dear ye, medium the dear ye. Ete ya de boni na Anglo Gold for omo edit e krone so no adena go face for the omo hunyansa say ahaye to bi ene ye gya ho ena shaft na da ho ena omo kom okota kwa your friend baby shaft em say ho no kra ye ekura me refinidi ye ka say ya obo so bi be text abrel ada ya boys no we say duka and a de sign ko see wo say wo ye community mining wo ho oboa na otudi and a boys no say abanfo frabe ye see akopam mo kra ma e be say ba akokra wa koti kokoniwa tapa mo because o ma free ho
ma tu de mu betu awie
dem betu ho ma tu awie
land no ma say na awie
ana boys no so no sabi ekomo ya ekom na ya wo anya sabi we be kope bibia bedi no enu na we ne de yamfa to ho no ene me be ye den nam anya nipa no sabi wote woda bia na so odin bi na e bia wo kope bibia bedi keke na dabi ayade a ahomeche na dabi na gold ben e wo wiasim gold ben e che so mbuche nipa nkwa ya wo soja ni wakodi nkwase asem we ni e be ka wo se soja ni ye right nti wo ko bobro ni ade ho ban na soja ni no ha ne kwa na ma ne kwan se ho na ma ne that authority se obetimi akwa ko nti ye security e ho na ye so wo security ama na bo gold mine ho ban a ade na akwa fa soja ni na juma ye territorial e interior etom ko pe de wo ho soja ni wo mo ye fe ni say onye interior job wo ye territorial your friend is saying Obuasi a territorial and tell us here soldier for now so e bia nkan wo dan akwasi asampa na soldier for na die no kwasi asampa na soldier for sebi me tie kura de man ni twa me nsunu mu ni say nipa ro kura na ye so ma bu nkotodwe say
omo pa chew omo dwane nyina na mu di tuo ni guo
o ti ase na wo soja ni obi dwane ye bo na tituo when it says Sojani, say Sojani immediately about to be a pager in Sano. Then you call peacekeeping quiet. You and our friend of some peacekeeping. You catch some say Obi, a done in a chise at the Mawa, your money chitu. Ubo, we are Sojani now, Bobia chitua. You have to be caught mashat. Akwa sasem na mudie no. Obi a wadane na chi. Na te sade na ho ye no wajai. Enu okọ. Wa bom achi tuo, asande tuo pradada. Na obi a wapagya ne nsa. Sebi. Akwa akọcheme. Me ye bone. Wo se anya hands up na oka. Na mama me hands up so no so ebom tuo. Media me ojidi se jo Mahama.
What is na eyade o ma plan ato so mbekum.
Yes, because that corner, there's a commander and receive you know. They should make sure they investigate the subject matter. It must not just end there. Sure. Aso da fu de nyambra sem wo Ghana hanoma ya jai omo in this democracy ya hwe ye bedu baby no Ghana for will pick hands in their hands and fight them. Akwasa sem no mu die no. Sure, de omo koye no assignment mre bi etwam no. Bidonya me say omuti na ye so ye sojani na yan suma o baby na koye onu ama boni na say civilians ko che oboa eni ko say ko fa wu nuan ma soja for say yen ko ho ne yen ko kontokwa foko na fa say wo ne fa su anyansa what ma say mo be say fa na obo so bi say soja tare krono na baby a innocently no na ama for ko attack no anya the training na uko soja ya de mawo no anya wo body ni training no ye training wa adwen enti soja ni ana adwen mu oha no eni kwa se wo ma na ye part of you ye training wa adwen e wo se wa adwen na nya hoden anya wo body enti sa emranti a Akufo Addo apagya omo e de omo kogu soja mu an kwasasem kwa na omu di we wo be kom no na sa akofo mu nyina Akufo Addo ne fa omo adwuma kwasafo nkwa soja ni obi apagya ne house ma boni tuo obi adane na chi ma boni tuo we ye soja ni haruna me nuanu bebre wo soja mu nana I will condemn them any day any time when they are wrong
senior because
senior, they are wrong
senior mama ka asami won
they are wrong.
Let's look at the justification
there is no justification for Sekokum nipa
meba very good.
There's no justification
killing of human being.
Yes
dear. No one would admit say ukun obi a nobody. That's one. Two, no one would also say we invade obi property dia meba one say ube ko obi property. There is this that we will write say a reserved place and now do not trespass.
Yes, no trespass.
What you say now? Yambisa omuano omuko sa field no assassin no when obetima ka say assassin ya media
omunka sa
meba that's why I am coming omuko honum no omuan ka say nim say be bia meko no enye me assassin su na meko it is illegal now su aswodinti omuko honum. So now are you saying say baby sana omubo honum no it is right and now the killings is what you are condemning. That's one. Two, whatever would happen no meba we see near omuye no to the extent say you are justifying that assassina Anglo Gold is minding on no because enam so say it is of no benefit to Obuasi mine.
Yes.
Therefore no it is right for anybody to enter that illegal.
I haven't said so.
That's what you are assuming.
No,
that's what you are about. You are saying, say.
No,
you are justifying, say. You are offering you have now for so be oh.
We sign agreement with this yesterday. No, we are condemning. Say, a crime of fast some trespass. No
one is justifying that.
Yeah, can say
the killings.
So Jenny, yes, the killings. It's wrong.
Aruna, you have not changed your.
I won't justify.
And then I won't justify.
The entry, no sooner it is non-justifiable. Sammy catch us say.
The entry to be non justified.
Yes, it's wrong. Young person, if we are abrogating our contract, Obuasi me since 2000 now. Me shall say Obuasi Angulgoda. And I have had series of complaints about Mia Mankasa. The Juma na mi wohonum eye. To the extent, say, you will see people who does not have any reason to come and stop you. And I'm so say, Mimi ahaya Mimi Kro, or my mindy, they would illegally stop you and extort money from you. So say a Kosua, definitely, even to the extent, say, Omwa security. Let young people who say, why do you have to even hire the services of military? It means, say, the threats of Obuasi Anglo Gold Ashanti is on the high. And that is why you can employ anybody's services to protect your land. Yes.
Okay.
Not to cut him. You see, what I mean to say, we Bruni, Waba, who you with you, Ghana in Abetono, dear nephew. And I may cite go face for go face for Omutu Yano, Omutu Yano Mujaho. No, say, a crew man and soon go to be. You see the wisdom. And so much had you many actually be from Mutu. They are working. A crewman is so called Munyaka Crano Mabidi. Now, what you say, baby, I want to a real. Yes, baby, I want to a real. Baby, I want to a real. What's it was what called in Jose Umu Bianco?
For a reason.
For what reason?
Oh, Debbie. Because I now my into your parliament. Because now I said, Hani a parliament. Because now coming
Parliament because of whom is a question. It is of no use. Yeah. We love you, in Semura, what you want to move in. Hey, there's a groma in serious. Anyway, Matcha will be actually to a chair. Mohammed, Narama, Wono wasn't galamsey as Rebuku today.
Well, almost some patch, according to one for the back, they say what that confirm not
galamsey bako.
Omo da confirm not chili.
Anna, I'm forces no kutadi. No, you see, no, because me argument okay. And I agree entirely with Mohammed.
Yes.
You see, me matter Obuasi da.
Okay.
Sango for na ko hono. No mo kwa to go to the benefit of Obuasi for na so mo.
Omo.
Say policy wise no, say oman we na Jimmy fu ebedi ye nim na ye abro. Say papa peni tumi kwotro no assign mining contract lease or ne Anglo goods or say abrofo mo mefa 95% go Ghana ye mefa 5%. E ho no wo so obufu ko.
Yes.
Enya broni ni so.
Enya broni no. Dabi biti ni so be ba no biti opa.
No, but you do you remember I mentioned that we don't even get up to 5%.
Absolutely.
And what did I blame?
So the government that should be there.
I want to be cancer say government because your government be bad.
Yes, and did you cannot say there. You can't blame Anglo good. Yeah, Mamin can be bincho. Sa minus for that muti omo. I'm telling you, it's never true.
It's not.
Omo kwa omo tutu. Asema bentina na Sóldier for no.
Omo bua omo because no me do omo kwa face.
Wo obi agalam, wo tira galamsey side down.
I'm telling you.
Wo tira galamsey side. Wo the galamsey is nante down.
Me dey make for mo ko hu omo na no.
So order the sapine na beko. Hey, now who will the sika.
So let me ask you one question. Solo. Good no enye said da ho na akwa no akofa
o kwa asase ase
ukubrem
yes
e na wo kɔ no ukura tu
yes
se wo kɔto abo Sóldier ni
yes
na Sóldier ni na wu
yes
na owu a na watimi akɔ na obekɔ beba no na employ
dabi di omo ye ni e gang e jira Sóldier for state said they persist ye kwa ye omo amo guide mo top
se oni ho na make am
ale won mo asase ase the A2 eniti o se bebie sika obi a yeja eniti gam omo over power mo a na kwikro mo tunyo ma na bese akọ now Sóldier ni bie no na adwiri mu da wa
Sóldier ni bi ho
o se dey
ai bebre
ke Obuasi o am gase matra Obuasi o da he bi o kro to fa gatem omo awiawie mu a gata wo mfa mu da no na o makwa ko yi gold no omuyi omo de akọ nti se ye tackle say oman ye mining leases in nya ye na say obi agapade pa de obewuram no me support.
No one is supporting that.
Hey, omaye money.
Na obi funkuma
soldier for na me soldier for na say me dey adwuma. Me dey soldier for say omuwuram na nyoma miensa unipa na kan na ma me soldier for kradi. Woni ba say omuwuram no esanse na omukoto agudie ni nti no omo de chisel omo de your friend is knives and ye the go to the nka ho soldier for the boss chisel knives pump action eka ho. So it tells you say omo say bonia problem aba no ana omu yi to na film a soldier for yenua na omo soldier for bi ho no a me nua no bi ho omo Obuasi omo brief mu heavily, so I don't have any emotions for the SC no omo ye mistake go mu yi. I'm telling you soldier ni wu a he Maso Mahama okoye so okoye friendly fire yankuro danger Obuasi okoye so okoye negotiation elitimi efe ni agro memie ma ye institutions ni nya wiki memie ma ni nya wiki not allow this sha obi ekodi nsemu hu ho a civil na so be tretuo so jani
me question ba kwa
busame senior busame
adena asojafo
yes
na ebo awlogo no ban
eno die yetuwe ubetua kofa so jeni abebo ho ban wo motua ka
yes asama
wo motua campaign no that de bia nkofo koye ewurem kofa gold anglo gold ntokwa esisi ho no in the 90s, in the 2000s, ebu wa confrontation.
I remember those times.
Yes.
Me kai se galamsey yes for ibi. E fa angle go emsa me na omo tumu e mo amran ko mu ko si e mo.
Me say enioma ekoso no. Enioma ekoso o sa Obuasi oro ho. People have no idea.
Haruna has nailed it. I see even the men say soldier for it.
So kase enuti ade na esie no. Ye besere. Your minds, no, and tell me that one name with your bear.
But so no, be so dear, who blame me NDC, say, Omona.
I have a lot of videos such as NDC furniture Mkutupa. Let me tell you, see, and then you man Yan Yabeka. And then they shouldn't provoke some of us because of what's me, Obuasi is here. And to trust some more people are taking advantage of the mere fancy change of government. The moment to be president, that is it. The president is the president of Ghana. And yet the president of a political party. Make me show the women organizer. Our Obuasi in the video. Walk as I said, but you want to concert, so that's what I did. I'm a boy wrong go do. Why? Because you NDC? Why must you allow that? My friend, this impunity must stop.
But when you say one lady be NDC ni, now I catch him say oblemi NDC for mo and no more parliamentary candidates because of message in the campaign and no more year.
You see a lot of
and I back power, be mama ko.
They say no more blessing. Don't worry, and no more blessing.
Oblemi so because of say change of government aba then
yeah, and no more blessing. And until I be so be blame soldier for no you have to be extra careful. A soldier for many interest be o. Obi kwahwe apa me nua Kwaku mensa ono when all come out for way yeah ma soldier for that a week. And to me I was one of them that criticized Obuasi West or East Secretary confrontation with the soldier. Don't let the state be weak. Yeah ma soldier for you weak. I'm telling you that you be so you won't have any soldier to defend you.
Much as I agree with you.
Yes.
My next question is
yes.
Soldier for
yes.
Adiomo yeah. Nipa wapijanisa.
I know you reported. I deal with the state institution report. Ghana Forces issue state.
We have.
But Ghana Forces Diana Ujidi.
No.
Victims no.
Who is that victim? Kwamfo no na minko tie no.
Omo no so dia no mo kan.
Da bi o kwamfo no na wo pese minko tie.
Kwamfo a ye chi.
Minko tie kwamfo no. What are you talking about? Say obi a wo no. What you mean? I am bold. Afu Kwaku di asase. We see no about the conversation. We say bin tie na asem. Mama tie Ghana Forces. Na what way a what that they obi engo grow makachim go to jo. What is the Ghana Forces for no? So je ni bi ku bi Obuasi. What is obi ku bi Obuasi? We must call a spade and not a big spoon.
Trespass.
Stop trespass. Mu be yese mu ne to ana che ne gas crash dem a mo be boy ro so Agyarko. It must not be tolerated. Me free say we have an opportunity to right the wrongs of yesterday. And then to open it says I'm doing okasa na mbuafu. because me papa ye Anglo Gold do a mine engineer or what was a chief executive dey no ye I dey no ye what for so we dey be na mo long speeches abra na show my Ghana ninsa we be the big guy in Obuasi we bet me gira mo na so ama mines no abe obo look at a point ya 2 Anglo Gold no na go for crash obu po bia na ton $1 otu voka wante
yetum
ya ye mine more than 100 years ya tuye nya Ghana crunch me and come one anko fa mines no do your man ye bre ho where your man yes kwasi broni eba no the sika beshem na John Voy no mu di akire. And so that is an issue we must tackle. And I was thinking, say, a benya opportunity. Do I didn't call lands and natural resources? Somebody in the someone like Dr. Tony Obi. He is a very experienced miner. This is the time you need such people to go in there and implement pragmatic policies. By the end, yeah. And this I'm maybe the water there. Yeah, comedy doesn't mean a comedy me. No matter time to no boy Roby, there's some good. And our bank it doesn't work like that. Say ye jaya ye to me ko be to kwana sama no ne kwasi broni jeja no a na so ma me contract for o visa memfa na me o ma ba ha 2x4 foi abaha na say ya sign your life dia mo unti kroma le discover lithium ya sign out like that unti kroma. So ye penny for the dear person minkum nya mafu eno na ma ye breti se yakoto aba sam meburu na yakwasa asiase no that must be their client call also bubusa penny for say sabetuma wa e de na obeya ma mesu betu nya mine concession ni aye adwuma enyo obi a waso also abetua ne mine concession ka now say de ye minko blame soja ni na soja ni so obi ba no be di agro now life with that tenkroma finish him. Hey, na me nua na onkomra na me gosie e na anu soja di ba ko bi call kaso a okoye mistake akwa nye kunu onye na onye nipa nye kunu ye tumi nya nsa o ye tumi nya sa nchem hunu no okromu a we have to be serious
kai who say we are in a state
obi akwatra ba so na governor to o me report
listo
very
mene munyina munya wow you see that is why we are saying institutions ahodo a ewo Ghana ha no obi ewo mu na oye ade na eyesinto a ye correct no as far as I know of course and for corona o mawuo no
aka 10 minutes
ewuo enya ade na e wo say yo makatua obi enu a waka se de omo ye ne ye and se impo omo ekosane etuo mpo gu ye nuanuma soja for so a enka anya ade a se bi betena studio ha no ma ball ma baso menye da but to the extent say soja ni bi eni wonu ma watimi the evidence of say enkofo no kura tutuo e ma ne kan ye
omo no exchange guns
because exchange of gun ayidie e wo say utimi kire yen say obi bo tuo no kura mpo no obi ti kokoniwa what you say entino say on a normal day you be can say oh enkofo no normal too aggressive and omu ko bu ban ne neoma and nti asoja for your right say omu bo mu tuoku omu a enya de papa you are encouraging adia impunity in the service and in the force.
Okay,
last but not the least metu ye nyina ayefu as Ghanaians say hooliganism emfa de papa bi ama we nipa o ma hwe o mo krai chese ebi mu ho krampa ye si ye nim ba bi o mo firi ade be che kra bi ana me kra me hu nipa wo mu ebi ana wo so hu nipa wo mu rather say ye be ma ebinum tirimo aye o mo de enya soja fo nyina ne nyansa enya obi o ye commander bia aden ayi ye friend is say dampare onye posini
dampare ko oda so
what you say entino mesre much as your institutions no ya wose ye bo ho ban no miscreants bebre akowrem enu ti na me stress aban domu asuko me de omo ye na soldier for no ye no kum nipa ba kum mienu miensa wo de nkawane nyese bia ye kwa akwachi omo kra na bia etuo kra fa ho na soldier for am ye training mo eti ye training mo se mo de etuo nkwa na mo tutu kum nipa eti nka soldier for ni ntimi nche omo na ebia na menu Haruna on said dan ti asem ni mu yie no odwen se nipa na so den keke ena akoja ni wu enye aso den keke enyina ye ti omam ena nyankopon achen agudie ewo yasase asase na nyame ebo yen ba yen oman Ghana mu no yen yadia ana mpanifuo bi kakraa bi omo ene mrofo bi edi nkita ho ena yen yasase no omo de ama mrofo bi se omo enkotu asase ni mu agudie na omo kotuo no oman Ghana yenya mu ohamu nchichemu enum 5% mpo yenya omo tunso a omo na kire de omo anya na omo a kire de omo betua sana edu ba bia ensem sei ba e wo se yenya abotre pa na ye kan se ne tie na fata se ne be ya ye betimi de periperi yo aboama oman wei ne nkanko ene ne mpuntuo aye krabehwe so ye Ghana ni akwasi broni bi fra mano ne aba so obetu gold na gold na obetuo no otu no okrom akwan a omonye bibia wo boase bia kire se obuasi sebi enkoye so ko to say takwa go fields omo ye no bebre wo ho a obetimi do so akire so say go fields ayewe contrary to the ekoso obuasi enti sa na sabi uye soja ni enye se wo free amanone ebi ayese America fo soja fo na bia omo bo campaign no ehun ban uye Ghana fo unia Ghana sabi okope bibia bedi enye se sabi o Anglo Gold for mo your friend is saying mo amena mu tumu gold no dad omo friend dad underground we underground no enye ho no maba eye adia
alluvial mining and surface mining omumu de no your surface mining galamsey for the surface mining yes
we a large scale we yes, deep enye alluvia is in the water
sorry it's in the water yeah
so what it is that omo no omo eco breaki into that space hono obi enu obeba bejina radio so aka say omo ya ade pa da never da china me see obi fum kumu a obi fum nyade enwa
You're waiting for waiting and someone better yepono so when I Listowel or a regular panelist on the political talk show or reacted to a year Obuasi killers the course war and also otchere na dwen afahun na wodi ensem do na ara and na tuja because so when you subscribe to channel dia bomodi say obe subscribe na fe we like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensem ekoso ewo Ghana mem hadom also betimi otchere wadwen afa ye some we nyina hu ewo comment box ni mu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.